Hello, in this video overview, I'm going to show you how you can use this template to initiate one place for Google Breakouts, because right now Google Meets does not have this natively in their Google Meet app. It will be coming, but here's what we're going to do. Right here, I have a video that shows you how to make nickname links, and we know that nickname links are secure because the teacher has to be in the room first before the kids can join, and that way we can use this all the time. But with that, what we mean, we do need to be in these breakouts before they get there. But this is a great way for you to easily do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of this slide, and then I have to determine what is the nickname that I'm going to use for each meet. You have to create something unique, and so I've created my last name with color. You can change this as need be. As I click on each one of these, you're going to notice that it says meet.google.com. So this is where we put in the join code, and this is the join code. So how did I make this? Well, let's say that I'm going to do a red one. I'm going to go ahead and make a new tab. I'm going to go to the apps option and go to meet, and I'm going to type in and so here I am. Now, you'll notice it says Gertenrich-Dwyer. I'm not going to actually initiate this meeting, but this is the nickname that they're going to use to get in. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I'm in this room. So now I'm going to go into a student account. And when I go to the student account, the student could join it this way. And they have to have a code. Notice they can't initiate anything. Because I'm in the room, they will be able to join. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little smaller. Here I am back in the teacher. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. So going back to my document, that's the color they're going to use. Now what I have done is I've made each one of these a link to Google Meet. So they will say join, they won't have this here, and they'll put in my nickname and they will join. So it's important that you do this for each one of these. Now each one of these, if you use this template, is already a link. So all you would have to do is go into edit and change whatever you were going to call your breakout here for your nickname and change each one. So once I'm done with making links for all of these, I want to add a timer. I like to have a timer that has an audio sound. Some of these timers just count down. So I went up here to insert and I went to video and I searched for a timer. Once I found a timer that I like, I can select it and I can insert it and resize it as need be. Just make sure that you go all the way to the end and you actually hear a sound. I'm going to delete this one. Also, inside here would be the names of the students that I want them to join, or I would just tell them verbally. Before the students leave to their link, as they would click on this and then enter that code, you want to make sure and turn on the timer so they can hear when they go to the other meet. Their volume is up. One thing I like to do is I like to use this publishing feature. And what this does, if I copy this, it just gives it a more aesthetically pleasing interface. So if I add a new tab and I paste that link, you can see that it's much bigger. Everything is clickable. After you have all this done, I would make sure you have this link copied and go to Google Classroom and make sure that you add a resource topic. And I usually use the icon here, material. So when you You make your topic, you call it resources, and then make it a material, and then you link this slide here to it with instructions that you want. And then when they click on it, they can click on the link and they will be asked to press join and put in that code. Remember, you do need to be there first. And when you're all done, you want to make sure and hang up after each session and make sure each one of those breakout rooms, every student is gone. I hope that's helpful for you.